Good day everyone. So in this video I'm gonna share you how to reverse any audio in this CapCut, and particularly I'm using the CapCut mobile in this Android. And for example, I'm going to use the audio that's still attached with this clip. So the very first step here, you can select this clip first, like this, until you find a lot of tools show up down here, and after that you can find the reverse option. Scroll it until you find this one, and then click this and kindly wait for the result. And this is the clip that already reversed. And after that, I'm going to extract or separate this video from this audio. So you can go to this menu until you find this extract audio. You can select it, and now you can see here that this audio has been already separated from this video. So for example, you can simply delete it, and now we just have this audio that already been reversed. So that's how you do that, doing the reversing any audio. And don't forget to try it in this CapCut, even in this CapCut mobile. I hope this video found you helpful. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.